Alright, hey everyone, this is DayTraderRockStar with an S&P 500 update. This is actually the 5-minute chart, and this is something that came to my attention today. The nice little channel that's formed. I'm going to zoom out a little bit further, and you can actually start to see the upper trend line here holding up, and we tagged the bottom trend line here 3 times. So a really established channel that's being placed in here. Stochastics on the 5-minute chart are bullish here, and I would expect, because of the situation, we have 1150 on the daily chart as overhead resistance, and the market is looking for a pullback. So in that case, everyone looking at that 1150 area, I expect the market to push a little bit through that, trigger some buy stops, which the shorts usually place above recent highs for technical breakouts and stuff, and the market usually likes to take out these things. So we'd like to look at those levels. If we look at the daily chart here and go out here, you can actually see, this is zooming in here a little. You can see the nice double top that's starting to form here, and this is right around 1150. So again, we're pulling away from the 20-period moving average, we're pulling away from the 50, we're pulling away from the 200. Market is due for a pullback, but I would not count a pullback in right at the double top here. I would expect a little further push above the 1150 area, and again, that's why I'm looking at the 5-minute chart because of the very nice channel trade that's starting to form here. So with that said, again, would not be extremely bearish going into tomorrow, but if we do push a little bit higher here and break above 1152, I'll definitely look to scale on a few more hedges, either the VIX ETF, the VXX, and maybe another 100 shares of the STS, just to protect myself to any type of flush. If we do flush through this downward trend line, it's a decent, might be a decent pullback here. A 15-minute chart, you can even see a clearer kind of a wedge pattern starting to form here, like a very slight channel being, or a wedge channel being put in here. Again, I would just watch for the upside of this channel to be tested, and then for us to break down here. So that's the S&P 500. That's what we're looking at. Again, tomorrow we're going to try to test out the 1150 area. I think we could break through there. 1152, maybe even a little higher. Watch that 5-minute trend line for a trade to the downside, and everything else. We had the watch list went out earlier today, so I hope you enjoyed that. And I'll be broadcasting the markets tomorrow early at 8:30 on DayTradingRadio.com. That's DayTradingRadio.com. You'll hear me commentate the markets live from open to close every single day. And I think that's about it for now. See you in the markets.